We're gonna do a pub crawl with a twist here. The transition of Bombay to Mumbai and how it has changed through time, especially the influence of the drinking culture. We're gonna have some fun conversations in this whole process too. Do you guys wanna join on a madness trip? Let's do this. We decided to pre-game and pre-game Bombay style. This place actually defined what drinking holes meant. It was literally a hole in the wall and pretty much with things falling apart.
This looks like one of those places where an author would come and write a book. Hey, when we said we were doing a pub crawl, how the living did you think we wanted to start here, producer? Where am I? Crawford Market? I get it. I mean, this place is not even pretending to be something. Empty bottle, empty shop, empty everything. We asked for tea, he's like, where do I get that from? And then we sat on beer, he's like, LP, Heineken, Budweiser. I don't even know where to classify this bar is, but it's cool as
It's an amazing looking bar. I like the concept that, well, he's a genre bending, genre creating kind of bar.
gender bending. What?
Genre.
This is not a show of the Kardashians. What kind of beer are you drinking, bro? This is London Pilsner. We are gender benders. Okay, cut.
We're kicking off our drinking session with one of the oldest bars in Bombay. And it was in the colonial era, so it has to be owned by a Parsi.
This got some old school vibes. Obviously, very, very Persian, Zoroastrian. Everything is from Iran. What's the deal?
One of a 99-year-old establishment. So yeah, it's definitely a great historical site as far as the drinking culture. Back in the day was a simple cafe where you got your Irani chai and things like that. But obviously alcohol kicked in after a point once proximity to the dock was always there. Because it was more dock workers, so spending power was much lower. Obviously as spending power is increased over here, you see we started off with beers and it has moved on to wines and then moves on to harder liquor over there. So it's a great way to just explain the journey. Progression over time from beers to wines to hard liquor.
Can we progress to drinking instead of talking? Just shut up for 5
ready.
seconds. Okay.
Let's do that. Let's get some.
Okay. Sir, आपका नाम क्या है? वासुदेव.
वासुदेव रजक।
वासुदेव. शैंकी मस्जिद.
आपको सर यहाँ पे कितने साल हो गए?
40 से तो ऊपर ही हो गया।
अभी बियर से शुरू करेंगे अपन।
सबसे पहले लंदन पिल्सनर चालू किया।
बॉम्बे का पहला बियर।
हाँ, ईरानी का था, मेहर उनका लड़की का, ईरानी का है वो। हाँ, ईरानी का। अभी तो किंगफिशर वाला नहीं।
किंगफिशर वाला लिया। One more gift the Parsi have given us.
प्लीज. अरे खाली 2 कप. अभी प्रोड्यूसर को मत पिला, उनका कैमरा हिल जाएगा.
नहीं तो कैमरा ऐसे ऐसे जाएगा.
ओहो.
टाइम पे आ ही गया.
Oh, let's see. अरे they'll make sure the Union Jack is on there in case anybody mixes it up.
They had to show lineage to the bridge. No, even there.
Oh, these I haven't seen for a while. The cheese slings.
Cheeselings.
इधर में सबसे पॉपुलर यही है अभी भी.
गोल्डन ईगल और लंदन पिल्सनर दो फेवरेट। कोई भी आदमी अगर नाम नहीं भी समझ आया तो भी बोलता था पक्षी वाला बियर लेके आओ। गोल्डन ईगल मांग रहे।
नेक्स्ट बार में जाके ये करने का.
पक्षी वाला बियर. अभी क्या बोलते हैं? चोर का बियर लेकर आओ. किंगफिशर. Cheers.
All right, cheers. London Pride in Bombay.
Bombay Pride. Oh, he downed it. Probably follow suit.
Do it. Chagalag. Khatam. One finished. Next. We're on sort of a bar crawl. We're doing something a little different with Bombay through the ages and the transition of Bombay to Mumbai, how people's drinking habits have changed. And we're not a very serious show. It's more about just getting drunk and talking in the entire time.
Initially, it was a stable which was used by the Britishers. Once the Britishers went, it turned into a chemist. Then it was like a convenience store and a chemist. Then Mr. B.S. Irani took it back, I would say around 40 years back. It was more of a country bar. Then we came 20 years back and we changed the entire look of it.
Oh, look at that.
Since 1921 is only here. It doesn't say outside.
We'd like everybody in Bombay to come back to the Bombay legends. And I'm not a big fan of Vijay Mallya. You don't have to drink London Pilsner, but if you do, you might as well come have to Universal and drink it. That already ran away. They didn't go, they're here. Okay, thank you so much, Uncle. Thank you. Parag works for one of the Alcobev companies in India. Perfect guy to start a pub crawl with. He's just almost here.
There's been a huge transition, not only in the bar culture, also in terms of drinking culture.
Whiskey कौन सा है?
इसकी पुरानी वगैरह है, रेड लेबल, ब्लैक लेबल,
She was?
सिवर।
प्लेसमेंट करो चलो ऑलरेडी लोचा कर दिया अच्छा tell me is it true that you guys not you like in India we named our beers all of phallic like
Not phallic, macho.
macho and phallic khujrao everything sounds like a little derivative of Viagra कुछ न कुछ होने वाला है
The tagline for Hayward's 5,000 and 10,000 was इनके जोश से बच के कहाँ जाओगे?
So one is the transition of place of consumption. What I have observed is also the liquid that people are consuming. Like,
the booze
yeah, the booze from beer to whiskey now to white spirit. So there was a time white spirit was not that big a category for any alcohol company. Craft beer was completely unheard. It was only Kamba and you have your Kingfisher, Hayward's 5,000, London Pilsner. That's about it. So now you've got lot many craft beer in. That has become like a recruiting joint. You know, it's like a breeder's ground where a lot of young millennials who don't have a lot of money. They get into
Start. That's how you-
That's the start. You know, you go to Dulali and start your drinking life.
entry into the market from
Enter
there
into the market.
I mean, I'm sure for you and I, entry was probably like a Sunlight or a Gokul.
Yeah.
For them now it's
Yeah.
become
Or from
Dulali
Janta
something.
probably.
What was your college bar?
My college bar was like a local permit room. It's called the Nest.
I'm going to take this permit room concept around the world and tell people
Then it was a Bharat, and then third one was KK Punjab.
on that note thank you so much my man let's outside the environment where the producer is not irritating the out of us and putting us on a track
Let's catch up on one of those days. Next, I had to show Sid a quarter bar. It's quintessential Bombay. Started by the Shetties, run by the Shetties. This particular one, though, is one with a slight twist by itself. They've moved, they've transformed, they've modernized.
Most of the Shetties who came like 40s, 50s, they came. They were doing this all small vegetarian restaurants, Udupi restaurants. Then slowly, so many Udupi restaurants. So now they need something new. Then it came like a permit room with license and as well as good food. Many of them they started out dance bar. Till Shetties were holding this business, it was bit decent.
Mujras were the more for the elite, and then dance bar was a more commercial version available for everybody. I have visited a few in the past. I won't shy away from it. I don't know what the whole hullabaloo was, why they banned it.
once the Shetties lost control over those then it ramped into another beast altogether
Different people came.
Okay.
Different.
Other people
you know,
start getting
even though they are not Shetties, they call themselves Shetties.
Oh, ye bhi hua.
हाँ ये हुआ 90s and 2000 started they slowly they went off the younger generation crowd took the
mantle.
then they came up with different kind of themed restaurants. I'm one of them.
Masala papad.
No, this is called Mexican Rumali.
Mexican
Rumali.
Yes.
Well done.
Salsa dip, cheese dip and peri peri.
McDonald's should we try?
DSP. बहुत से मेरा film.
But उठा के कौन लेके जा रहे हैं पुलिस को?
You have to carry boss.
ये crew है ना ये crew को देखो
Their job description didn't say carry 160 kilos.
पीलू से का cowboy
It's not about
बांध के पीछे लेके जाएगा डबा
Ready में नहीं करेंगे.
I don't want to die out there.
But you are a quarter bar, you don't get shorts.
Oh, you don't get oh like that.
That's actually a good point, man. I like this. I like our producer. He's got to screw with shit. Very few people do it. Screw it, just do it.
What does it say? Don't be stupid, don't do it.
That's what DSP stands for. Don't be stupid, people.
I am a hairy man. I feel like the redwoods are growing out of my chest now. I think the nipples are hard now. Enjoy the pain and misery.
With the ice is better? No, not any better.
I was only checking in at the immigration counter. Now I'm at 20,000 feet. I'm getting an inferiority complex. Hey, this looks like a dolphin.
You play with your food. I'm eating. Now we've got the bar owner sending us stuff, bro. So we're just gonna say Khodai Madad.
Kodai mother. And shoot. Shoot the motherfucker.
So our little journey from Quarter Bar now moves to my time. It was college time. My first bar in Bombay. It was the place that I got introduced to drinking, to rock music, to some really funky culture. Because these guys are known for one thing and one thing alone: great music and great vibe, which comes with the music. Alcohol is the same, you've seen it in most bars. And you know what, they actually have this really amazing stuff where they give you these UV pens where you can go and write about.
Oh, nice.
I definitely have something.
Hey, I noticed something there. It says Mota is back. We are back again, baby.
Our lucky today, I have never had this luck in 13 and 15 years. I think it's you being around that we actually get to speak to the owner. And we've got Mr. Shetty in with us.
Thank you.
Shashank, nice meeting you, sir.
So before we kick off, Mr. Shetty said he doesn't drink.
No.
Have we noticed a trend? None of the bar owners drink. That's why they still own the bars. I owned a bar. I ran out of business in a year.
Good liars also.
यहाँ आके क्या पीना ही चाहिए?
Here is Long Island iced tea.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Strongest Long Island iced tea.
I'm doing
I
it.
had 2 of them.
Arre, challenge accepted. After that, you tell me which pictures you see and you recognize, Pata. Because right now I see Che Guvera. After say, I'll look at my ex-wife's picture.
Which one?
There is a few in the middle. A lot of people who really know Bombay tell us to come here. Yeah.
Most of everybody's passed through these doors once.
Yeah.
So we have graduation classes of every year.
You're sending them onwards.
I can see them, okay, he's from class of 93, class 94. You always have class 2004 or something.
That was 2004, yes.
Yeah, I told you.
Arre! This is the highway to hell or stairway to heaven.
Robert Plant had written on this walls. And
It's not just a legend just like that.
one of my assistants, he went and whitewashed it.
Oh,
Oh no!
I have seen the best of days of Mumbai.
I'm sure.
That's when partying started in Mumbai.
Yeah, that's true. It was one of the first ones on this entire belt. So how have you seen the change over obviously the good 30 years?
I'll tell you what has happened now. It's not as personal as earlier. Earlier, everybody used to be at their own outlets.
It was like a home bar. People know everybody.
these new places, and I completely agree, lack that personal touch, right? And look, everybody's trying to make a buck, and that's fair. We are in the business of commerce, in business of making money. But people like us, we like to go back to certain part of nostalgia.
I was telling you, I said I'm going back after a good 10 years. I don't know if it's going to be the same. I'm calling it like the legend. I'm calling it all of that. I don't know. I come inside, I was like, oh, it's still the same.
Are you ready for this? Can you handle what I'm about to say? Here it comes. After 40, you realize your balls start dropping lower. You know how when kids are growing up, you make a line, they're that tall? I'm going to start making tattoos on the inner thigh, seeing how far my balls are dropping. All right, producer, we're going to play this game. Shanky?
Che Guevara.
Okay, fine. Very good, very good. What is this from?
Tell me,
The Joker? I don't know. He looks like a Joker. I don't know. Anybody take guesses? Put it in the comments. We have no idea who that is. Who is that? Oh, I knew when I came there. Now I forgot.
Oh no, that's Jimi Hendrix.
Scythian, that's my old alma mater.
LIT nights are legendary nights. Post that, we were like, yeah, we're just gonna head home and get ready for day 2. Because day 2 was again gonna be loads of drinking. So day 1 was a trip down memory lane. Day 2, we decided let's check out the whole new age drinking and what the millennials are doing. I'm not sure if we are young enough to enjoy the place, but what the hell, couple of drinks down, we love every place.
I think this was really big in the US, in New York, in banking centers. And then it died a really quick death because everybody's like, yeah, we do this for a living. We don't need to do this afterward. But all the other aspirational cities were like, yeah, we want to pretend to be bankers.
I feel the drink you and I decide, suddenly you see prices start going up.
Because we drink a lot of it.
We don't do 1 or 2.
What do you say? Let's see if we can make or move the market today.
That's exactly how the Indian market works also.
Yeah.
The
No,
Marwadis-
markets-
The Marwadis and the Gujaratis control it. Half our Marwadi blood should probably take care of this. My other half Mallu blood will take care of the alcohol consumption part.
You want to move the market with doubles of each?
Yeah, greater than. It's gin. It's the Goan gin.
Okay, fine. Seriously, the crowd is getting younger or am I getting older?
I think we're aging too fast. Good question from our producer then. Sid, do you feel out of place?
I am just as happy at a /quarter bar. The reality is I'm a banker, but I'm making a TV show with you. You work with the help the World Bank and you're making a food show with me. What the f are we pretending to do?
Okay, greater than just went up. From 183 is gone to 190.
This is your Goan gin, right?
It is. Our producer is constantly hungry, bro.
Yeah. Who's the fat one here? Hey, somebody take a shot of his belly. He doesn't want to be seen. Then again, he has to watch us eat the entire time.
First paycheck brought me here, so it was one of those. Well, now it's really not something that I would really go too much to.
But you can see the growth of the population. You can see how people have gone from one job to another, increased, and been more aspirational. You guys are a little bit behind the rest of the world on music choices, so maybe this place.
Let's look at it this way. It's a start for the night. We got our first 2 drinks here. Probably get another couple more before we head out. After a point, anyway, we start loving every place.
Yeah.
On that note, let's make this place more lovable.
All right.
Who really came up with the concept that you need to wear shoes and a shirt and a suit to go drinking?
There is this culture of people who are drinking in Bombay, being the financial capital, so money is there to a great extent.
Let's get up, man. Where are we? Thursday night? Thursday night is a good night to get up, no?
Throw us something with gin, something fun.
I'll have a dirty martini.
I'll have a Tanqueray number 10 with tonic and double, obvious.
Could you roll my martini like every 15 minutes? I'll take one. Thank you.
Oh,
No, that's just because I'm a functioning alcoholic. Not really, but. No, but this is my jam, right? I mean, a lot of it might seem pretentious to some, but starting in the evening, you're trying to impress a client, and invariably, when they get comfortable, you move on to another more comfortable place where you take off your suit and chill. Bombay also has a banking culture. That's why these places thrive. You usually would not, and you should not be talking outside your meeting room, because if your lawyers are on the team, they'll make sure. Like, yeah, shut up, please now. Please. Enough. But if you're responsible enough, then you know what to do. Yeah, you gotta be careful about these goddamn stories. Man.
Martini for you.
Thank you. Oh, you're 15 minutes on the dot. I love it.
there's a Japanese shipping company here, and I was doing some software work for them in that company. Dinner bills of the Japs, and they stay here.
Japanese.
Oh, are we being politically correct suddenly now?
I do business with them. Sorry.
Dinner bills
sorry,
in Taj, 5.5 lakhs, 7.5 lakhs. One night is 23 lakhs for one night for 3 people. It's like, what do you eat for 23 lakhs in a place like that? It doesn't make any sense.
So I'll give you a perfect example. We went to Manila, we went to a Japanese restaurant. At dessert time, we were sitting at the counter and the chef comes out and there's a little cantaloupe, right? Cantaloupe is just a goddamn fruit, right? And I'm watching the chef working on this little cantaloupe like this. He gives us a piece, 3 little pieces, right, each. I take a bite of that cantaloupe. This is like you take 1,000 cantaloupes, take all that flavor and shove it in a little bite. Just everybody just stops talking and just looks at the little cantaloupe. And then we're like, can we have some more? And the chef goes, are you sure? And one part of my brain goes, ooh, there is something behind this question. The other part is like, ooh, I'm not paying the bill, I think. Okay, fine. Sure. Everybody's like, yeah, no problem. And then the bill comes, and the bill comes in 2 different sections. And let's say the X part was the budget of Fiji. And then suddenly this other bill, which was just the cantaloupe, was the budget of Tahiti. When a chef says, are you sure? Please stop. Especially if you're paying the bill. Especially here, these young guys, aspirational guys will come up and poor guys get butchered. So aspiration can turn to perspiration really fast. But you know what happens after your professional life is your real life kicks in, right? Let's get back to our comfort clothes. This place has been great. The service is immaculate.
Comfort clothes, I will pay money right now. I will pay this bill if you let me get into my harem pants back.
Put your feet up and just relax. Come on, you gotta let it go. Your life is moving way too fast. Slow down. Do you need decompression? That's an easy question. So let's leave this.
Mr. Chitroda, how are you?
Good. So we're basically coming into Mr. Chitroda's home.
Yeah, this is his other home.
This is his adda.
For us, this is his local becomes our local, right? We've done the entire thing, and now we're in comfort zone. So, well, here we go. Well, good to catch up with you, man. You look exhausted. Sunday.
Yeah, I mean, it's a mad freaking month. And in fact, I've been working Saturdays and Sundays also. You have your friends, you have all the fancy places that you can go to. But you're just so tired, you just want to come to a place where you can just be. So, I mean, ironically, today being a Sunday, I mean, it was still a similar day. And I think I just like coming to this place because it's more like my comfort zone and you can just be here.
Put your feet up and just relax. Come on, you gotta let it go. Your life's been moving way too fast.
This is comfort zone, right? Any place you feel where you're welcome, you don't have to force it.
Any
My line
place
of work-
where you can drink alone, eat alone. I think that's comfort zone.
What's this Bombay and bro thing? Because my wife said she'll kill me. I hung out with you guys, and then I'm in Goa saying bro. Nina's like, I will punch you in the nuts if you say bro one more time. I was like, sorry bro. She's like, seriously? I'm like, I don't know. I was hanging out in Bombay. It's just bro.
For some palatable, thankfully now that you know, all you need to do is go and take it.
This is our speciality basically. Not food also, not drinks also, but this
The whole,
backyard.
I think this backyard has seen a lot of stories. Like you guys also after like full pub crawl. I mean, this is where you want to terminate eventually.
Oh, look at that. The producer's finally coming into view. Hey. Arey, back to food. You want a drink or food? Okay, fine. Order.
Too fast, slow down.
Look, we're also new at this. I don't know how this comes across. It's an honest sort of reach out. We're trying to do something. It's a passionate project for us, for both of us. We've traveled the world. We've met a lot of people. We have a lot of stories. Some stories we can share. Some stories we do share, which we shouldn't. It's been a joy. It's been a lot of fun. We got to meet these awesome guys.
On that note,
cut!
अभी अपन CTA करें.
CTA.
Call to action. Like, share, subscribe to the Big Focus channel.
You heard what he said. You know what to do.
अरे but
Thank you.